Food allergies. What are these? Have you ever come across with food allergies? At least once in your lifetime, you or your family member or your child or a friend may have come across with these food allergies. So, what are the causative agents? So, what are these food allergens? Humans require food to survive. In addition to basic nutrition, food consumption provides a sense of satisfaction and also a source of social entertainment. However, for a small percentage of the population, consumption of certain foods, even in small quantities, can result in life threatening allergic reactions. When it comes to children, approximately 4 to 8% of young children and 2 to 4% of adults in developing countries suffer from these food allergies. Although over 170 foods are known to cause food allergies, 9 foods and their derivative products are today considered to be the major allergens, account for over 90% of all food allergic reactions. So, one by one, we will talk about what are these food allergens and the groups. So, the first one is milk and the milk based products. Second, the egg and egg based products. Third one, the soya beans and soya bean related products. Then the number 4, it is peanut, one of the most allergic product. Then what are the other products we are going to talk about? Then the next one is tree nuts. So when it's called tree nut, there are a lot of nuts. So we'll move on. The almonds, cashews, Brazil nuts, walnuts, pecans, hazelnuts, macadamia nuts, chestnuts, hickory nuts, pine nuts, and also seafoods. When it comes to seafood such as fish, both saltwater and freshwater fin fish cause lot of allergies. Then the number 7, crustaceans. When it comes to crustaceans, shrimp and prawns, then the crabs. I know you love crabs. Then the lobsters. What about crayfish? Yes, and also mollusks. And they also like snails, then octopus. Then what about the squid? Yes, then cuttlefish and also clams. And number 8, gluten containing cereals. Then the first one is wheat, then the rye, then barley, and also hybridized strains of these products. Then number 9, sesame and mustard. We add sesame and mustard as seasonings to our food. And also, when we come to these food allergens, we want to be aware, though we consume in small quantities or the large quantities, according to the quantity size, we may get life-threatening effects. So, if you are trying these foods for the first time for your child, be aware. Your child also may be having some allergic reactions. Be alert on their behavior and signs. First, start with small portion and then look for his behavior changes and how he eat it, how he swallow it. Is there any redness over his face or is there any other swallowing problems like that? So stay safe and eat healthy.